Introduction.
Welcome to the world of smart wearables. Smart wearables are cutting-edge devices that combine fashion and technology. They can do too much more than just tell them.
Smart watches.
Smartwatches are a great place to start. They are all like having a mini computer on your wrist. You can make calls, receive messages, track your fitness, and even pay for purchases. If you are into fitness, a fitness tracker is your best friend. It monitors your heart rate, tracks steps, like having a personal trainer on your wrist.
Smart ring.
Have you ever seen a smart ring? This tiny accessory can track your health, make payments, and even control smart home devices with a simple gesture. It's all about connectivity. Most smart wearables sync with your smartphone through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. They use apps to manage and display data. Plus, they are designed to be comfortable for all day wear. Battery life varies, but it's usually a day or more depending on the model. Smart wearables are becoming more energy efficient with every new generation.
Conclusion.
Whether it is a smartwatch, fitness tracker, smart glasses, or smart ring, smart wearables are changing the way we stay connected and stylish in the modern world.